This instructional video covers the canister assembly procedures for your SerVue Touchless Refrigerated Slide-In. Before you begin, sanitize your hands or wear gloves to prevent contamination. Choose the correct paddle wheel for the canister and ingredient you would like to dispense. The large 6-wheel paddle is ideal for items like spinach and lettuce. The small 6-wheel paddle is perfect for broccoli, cauliflower, peas and beans, raisins, craisins, carrots, and cheese. The small 10-wheel paddle should be used for tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, pecans, chicken, and turkey. The small portion wheel is best for sunflower seeds, chopped pecans, and other small items. To begin assembling the canisters, insert the paddle wheel into the funnel. Insert the wheel shaft through the funnel and dispensing wheel. Ensure that the flat parts of the shaft and wheel hole align. The shaft should go through completely so you can see it on the front. Snap the canister and funnel together, making sure the side of the canister labeled front is to the front of the funnel. Making sure the largest curve of the agitation rod is toward the back of the canister, slide the agitation rod crossbar into the slots at the top of the canister. If the canister will not be used immediately, snap the cover on for storage. Make sure the cover, just like the canister and the funnel, is completely dry. Place the funnel adapter into the dispensing opening on the unit. Your canisters are now assembled and ready to be loaded for operation. To learn more about your SerVue Touchless Refrigerated Slide-In, visit us online at volrathfoodservice.com.